So for this exercise, I still choose to introduce mushroom hunting and especially identification for pennybound. So in the first page, there is a general and brief introduction for mushroom hunting as an outdoor activity and a brief introduction to pennybound, which is the most famous and the most easy to recognize edible mushrooms in the wild. And in this second page, there are some details about how to recognize pennybound. One most important thing is to take notice of its gill, and here is some YouTube video giving more details rather than gills. And in the third page, most of the information here came from Wikipedia because the Palladius family is a huge mushroom family, and there are many varieties. Some of them are edible, but some of them are extremely toxic. So here is a YouTube video talking about one of the most toxic Palladius mushroom in the wild.